Hey, Flat Mechanic here again, and we got a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited. And as you can tell, this annoying beep, it just keeps going and going. So, unfortunately, you guys are going to have to listen to this while I go through this video. But it says key fob has left the vehicle. And also, the vehicle had a very hard time starting. And in order to resolve that, I had to hold the key fob to the button. It took me a couple dozen times, but the vehicle did start, and now it still thinks there's no remote. So what we're going to do, I don't really think it's going to work, but I wanted to do a video on what it takes to program one of these. It does take special software. What I have here is the Autel, what we got? Maxi IM 608. And this does regular diagnostic as well as key programming. So we're just going to go into the program menu. I'm going to run down through this real quick with you guys so you can see what it takes. And go into Jeep. Automatic selection. Okay. This ding is driving crazy. I'm sure it's got to be driving you guys crazy too. And the customer's been driving with this dinging the whole while. All right, we're gonna verify. Yeah, smart key, Jeep Cherokee. Let's go. I am in low status. We're gonna go to hot functions. Learn key guided. Learn key guided 2. Let's go to learn key guided 1. So this is actually very straightforward for the most part. If you have the correct equipment. Smart key learning guided. Let's go to yeah, I don't know if this is going to work because it's not reading the key half the time. So we just got to wait for it to run down through this menu. System test, number of keys it's going to check. It's going to read the security pin, which is important. That's what we need for the programming. To learn programmed keys, you have to erase keys first, okay? So there's 2 keys. He has 2 keys learned, so I'm gonna have to call this customer and see if he has the other key, just to turn ignition off, turn hazards on, make sure device is connected to Wi-Fi, turn IP address successfully. All right, so we're gonna shut the car off. We're gonna turn the hazard lights on. Hazard's on, the dinging's gone, yay. We can all be excited about that. Establish communication. Communicating with vehicle, this could take 1 to 10 minutes, so let me pause the video and come back. Okay, so we got our security password for the key fob, which you need for programming. It does save it automatically, so you don't necessarily have to write it down, at least with this program. Turn ignition off, turn emergency flashes on, make sure ignition is off, all wiring devices, laptop, cell phone, other proximity keys are not close. Okay, my phone is close, but hopefully that won't affect anything. So let's go, yes. Hold the proximity key near the center console or start button and press the unlock button twice. So we're going to take the key, get ready to hit the unlock button. We're going to set it on the start button like so, and we're going to hit OK. And I'm doing this all with one hand, so sorry about the camera stability. Alright, so I did this. So now we're just going to wait the remaining 42 seconds. Okay, so the countdown's almost done. Also, once we get done doing this, I will show you how you can get this vehicle started if your vehicle won't start. or at least how you can diagnose key fob versus bad transmitter. Okay, learning failed. Do you want to learn the next key? No. Okay, so the reason the key failed is because more than likely the transmitter in this key fob is bad. So you can buy these on Amazon. I'll leave a link right in the video description or in the pinned comments where you can get these much cheaper than the dealership, much cheaper than anywhere else. They are aftermarket, but I've used them before. They work. So not a bad option. Like I said, I'll leave that link below. And so how you determine if it's your key or the transceiver is usually the receiver for the RF receiver for this remote. So you have, there's actually two. There's a ring typically around this ignition switch that reads the security, and then the actual transmitter for the key is located in the left rear quarter panel. So in some instances you can place this key basically in the back in the trunk next to the left rear tire well, and see if that no key detected message goes away, or if the vehicle will start. So and if it does, that means that transceiver is going bad, not so much the remote. But if it stays the same, chances are it's probably this remote. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If it was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, Flat Ring Mechanic.